now you can too. On this week's Level Up, we're breaking down how to create cinematic B-roll using Seedance directly inside HeyGen. No external tools, no stitching clips together, just one workflow, start to finish.
Let's start with the first frame to last frame tool. This helps you extend scenes or create any type of B-roll you can imagine.
Drop in a photo of what you want as the first frame, and then you can also add a photo of where the scene will end. Write a prompt of how you want to build your scene in between. Then click Generate.
Now, if you want more control, reference to video will give you more options. You can drop a reference video, location imagery, a product, and choose your camera movement. Then share how you want to build your scene. We'll generate the scene based on those references in your prompt. Then click Generate.
What does it mean to be alone? To be the last one standing.
The key here is control. You're not just generating clips, you're directing them. Camera movement, pacing, environment, all defined up front. Every strong seed dance video comes down to 5 parts. Start with who's in the shot. What are they wearing? How do they carry themselves? What makes them visually distinct? The more specific you are, the more consistent your output. Then define what they're doing. Are they walking, sitting, holding a product, leaning against a wall? Give Seedance a verb. Don't leave it guessing. Describe the space, the time of day, the materials, the mood. A rooftop at golden hour hits completely different than a studio at midnight. This is where it gets cinematic. Steadicam, jib, orbit, push in, name the rig, name the movement. Camera is emotion. Lock in the look. Film grain or clean digital, shallow or deep depth of field, color palette, aspect ratio. This is your visual identity. The stronger your direction in these 5 categories, the better your output. That's your level up for this week. Start building your own cinematic B-roll with Seedance inside HeyGen and take full control of every frame.